Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to another tiny car camper conversion video. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to turn this tiny car into a camper, and I'll be showing you how I live in it. This is a Mazda Demio. It's about the smallest car available on the market, and I've been living out of this car. It's really easy to turn it into a camper and then also pack it down and use it as a car again. These are the main pieces that make up the bed frame for the camper and also the kitchen, and I'll go ahead and show you how it all goes together. The first thing I'll do is remove my folding bike. Now I drop the back seats down. The bed frame is built in 3 parts. So the first part is this base, which I add to the back here. On top of the bed frame, I'll add this top for support. So that's the part that I lie on. My head goes at this end. And the third part of the bed frame is the bed frame extension, which my feet go on. So I'll show you how that goes in. So I just placed the bed frame extension underneath the top part of the frame there. Slide the front seats forward as far as they can go, just to give extra leg room. So this part of the bed frame is the foot extension. That just holds your feet up in position and allows you to stretch out about 1.9 meters. So I measured this car when I made this from the gear stick here to the back of the back door is 2 meters. So if you're a person who's under 2 meters tall, you will be able to sleep in a car this size. The next part of the setup is the kitchen, which I like to keep in this crate. It just goes in here. In here I store my food and cooking gear and fresh water. My cooking gear is pretty basic. It just consists of a gas burner, a pan, knife and fork and spoon. My bike just fits in snugly in the side here. And for a little extra comfort, I do add some cardboard. So this is my bed, my sleeping mat. It's a climate insulated mat. It's the kind that I take on cycle tours, and it packs down really small, and it's actually really comfortable. So as you can see, there's plenty of room to lie out flat and stretch out my feet in comfort. I use this grey blanket just for a little extra privacy. And just by throwing it over the top of the headrests, it means that people can't see in through the windscreen to see me lying down in here sleeping. In this vehicle I've also set up solar power so that I can charge my phone to make YouTube videos and also have lighting. So I have this cheap 25 watt solar panel that I bought secondhand, and when I'm set up in the car and I want to charge the battery, I can just put it outside of the vehicle and catch the sun to charge my devices. So in the morning when it's time to get up and make breakfast, I simply open up the back of the vehicle, set up my solar panel, and then I can get out my kitchen gear without disturbing the rest of the setup. Generally I just set the gas burner on here, the pan on top, and cook there. And at night time, if I need light, I have the solar powered lighting which can be moved around the vehicle, so I can use that to read as well as cooking out here. So as you can see, even when the vehicle is set up as a camper, there's plenty of storage space built in under here, which is easy to access from the back of the vehicle. Now I always get asked, but where do you go to the bathroom? Now I would recommend that you don't go to the bathroom inside your vehicle, But if you really have to, if you're one of these people that really wants to have a bathroom inside your camper, even if it is tiny like this, here's a solution for you. A plastic bucket, it costs about $1. Just don't dump it out on someone's front lawn. I don't carry one with me, I don't use it, but for the purposes of this video, I thought I'd bring it along just to set everyone straight, answer your questions. When I need to go to the bathroom, I'll go to find somewhere like a shopping mall or a university or just a public bathrooms. They're usually pretty clean. If you need to have a shower, you can always go to gyms and places like that. For me, I just like to go for a swim in the river. So to pack it up in a hurry, just simply roll the mat back, lift this part of the frame and slide it back. So that just slides under there. The seat can go back and then I can carry a passenger in the vehicle. So thanks for watching another tiny car camper conversion video and how I live in my tiny vehicle. If you want to see how I built this project, here's a link to the video on my channel. My name's Andy, you're watching Hobo Cyclist, and I'll see you in the next episode.